Welcome to our class. Our topic for today is solving mixed operations. Who among these students solved the problem correctly? Is it Anna? Is it Barry? Is it Chad or Diane? To verify whether the answers from the previous example are correct, let's have the rules in solving mixed operations. So let's have the first rule. Do addition and subtraction operations in order from left to right. So let's check the answer of Anna. So we have 20 minus 12 plus 6. She performed first 12 plus 6. So that is 18. So we have 20 minus 18 is equal to 12. Definitely, this is not correct answer. Rather, we will have here for the answer of Anna, 20 minus 12 plus 6. So we will perform the subtraction first. Okay, so 20 minus 12 will give us 8 plus 6. So we have 14. So this is the corrected version. So therefore, Anna was not able to get the correct answer. So let's have another example. Okay, for Diane. So we have 8 plus 7 minus 12. Since the first rule here is do the addition and subtraction operations in order from left to right. So we have 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. Let's move on to the next rule in solving mixed operations. Do multiplication and division operations in order from left to right. So let's verify the answer of Barry. So we have 32 divided by 8 times 4. He performed first the multiplication, so that is why 32 divided by 32 will give us 1. So definitely this is not correct. So we can correct this one by okay, we have the operation 32 divided by 8 times 4. So instead of multiplying 8 and 4 first, we have 32 divided by 8. So we have 4 times 4. So we have 16. So this is the corrected answer. So let's have more examples for the operations between multiplication and division. So I have here 15 divided by 3 times 5. Since we have division first, so we will perform 15 divided by 3 first. So I have 5 times 5 followed by multiplication to 5. So we have 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So this is the correct answer. Next, I have 12 times 5 divided by 10. Since we have multiplication first, so we have 12 times 5 first divided by 10. So I have 12 times 5 is equal to 16 divided by 10. So I have 6. Let's have the next rule. So if we have already 4 operations, namely multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, perform multiplication or division first before addition or subtraction. Then we will follow the operations from left to right. So say for instance, I have 25 divided by 5 times 4 plus 8 minus 3. Again, I'll perform the operation first multiplication and division here. However, division comes first before multiplication. So I'll have here 25 divided by 5 first and copy all others. I have 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5 times 4 plus 8 minus 3. Then again, I'll do the multiplication. So 5 times 4 will give me 20 plus 8 minus 3. Then again, we have here addition and subtraction already, so we will perform the operation from left to right. So I have 20 plus 8 is 28 minus 3, so we have 25. Let's have another example involving all operations. So say for instance I have 12 times 6 divided by 3 minus 15 plus 18. Again, I'll perform the operation of multiplication and division first before addition and subtraction. So I have here 12 times 6 will give me 72 divided by 3 minus 15 plus 18. Again, I'll perform the division first. So I have 24 minus 15 plus 18. But take note that 24 minus 15 will give me 9 plus 18. So the final answer is equal to 27. Let's discuss the next rule. Perform the numbers with exponents. So let's consider the work of Chan. So he has actually 5 squared minus 10. So he performed the operation first 5 squared. But he got 5 times 10 instead. So we have 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So definitely this is not correct. Why? Because if we will remember, 5 squared means 5 times 5. Then we have minus 10. So since we will perform the multiplication first, so we have 5 times 5 is equal to 25 minus 10. So we have 15. So this is the corrected work of Chan. Let's have more example on perform the numbers with exponents first. Let's consider 9 squared minus 10 times 3. But take note that I'll perform first 9 squared and then 10 times 3. So I have here 9 times 9 minus 10 times 3. But take note that I can perform already 9 times 9 as well as 10 times 3. So I have here 81 minus 30, so it will give me 51. Let's move on to the next example. So I have here 50 divided by 5 plus 4 squared. Take note that I have here 4 squared first, so I'll just simply copy 50 divided by 5. So I have here 50 divided by 5 plus 4 times 4. Take note that I can perform already 50 divided by 5 as well as 4 times 4. So I have 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So the final answer is equal to 26. Let's move on to the next rule. Perform the operation inside the grouping symbols first. So let's have this example, 5 times the difference of 18 minus 7 plus 3. So I'll perform the operation first inside the grouping symbol. So I have here 18 minus 7, so that will give me 11. So I have now 5 times 11 plus 3. But I have multiplication first, so I have 5 times 11 will give me 55 plus 3. So the final answer is equal to 58. Let's have another example. I have 50 divided by the sum of 21 and 4 minus 2. So I'll perform the operation inside the parentheses first. So I have here 50 divided by 21 plus 4, which is equal to 25, minus 2. So I have now 50 divided by 25 is equal to 5 minus 2. So I have now 3. So the final answer is equal to 3. To summarize our discussion on solving mixed operations, we can have the acronym GEMDAS. It means grouping, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we have the following rules. So first, perform operations inside the grouping symbol or the number with exponents first. Second, do multiplication and division operations in order from left to right. And finally, do addition and subtraction operations in order from left to right.